What's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing okay today. I thought I would just go and inspect my garden, have a look around and see what's coming up. It's a great day out there, so let's go. So I have my little hydrangea here. It's a macrophilia type, and as you can see, I'm getting buds on there. This one blooms a pink color. I thought it was dead, but clearly it's coming back, guys. This is my little heuchera. The little tag here says her name is Galaxy. But as you can see, she's coming back. This is my Old Faithful, my Bleeding Heart. Look at the growth on that one. I think I might have to divide it this year because this gets really big. Wow. Look at all the new growth and all the buds that are on the hydrangea since I pruned it up.
It's still a little chilly outside to be doing a lot of the chores that need to be done in the garden.
My lavender bush is starting to green up. I think I could even cut it back a little bit more. And of course, my Stella lilies, they've put on even more growth. I love the yellow flowers that these give off. Now this little area, I have quite a bit of perennials coming up here, but this exciting little red tips are my peony bushes. Now this will be its third season, so I'm hoping that she gives me some beautiful flowers this year. And these little guys in the back, I believe those are my black-eyed Susans. I could be wrong, but I believe that's what those are. And look at this. My heart is melting from all the little new leaves and buds and shoots that are coming up on these little carpet roses is what the tag said, but look at that. Look how green the leaves are on that one. And my roses. Now this is a little sedum I just put in last year. It's very compact. I can't remember the name of it, but it stays kind of a purpley dark green color. Love that, and that's starting to come back. Okay. The daylilies are all coming, and they're shooting all sorts of new little baby plants that I should probably dig up and repot because these are so close to the lawn. Little iris over here. Look how much growth she's put on in the last 2 weeks. Beautiful. So as you can see, we have a lot of work to do. We've got to get all the patio furniture out and the gazebo out and get the lawn going because we have to get the lawn care products out and give this a good dethatching. And I have my area in the back corner there, kind of like my hot graveyard that have to get to cleaning, and the barbecue is out so that we can get that ready. A lot of work to do. Now this is really exciting for me because those little purple tips are my beautiful hosta plant that has woken up and is coming back for the summer. These are some buds that are on my little lime hydrangea. This will be their second season in this little spot. I have 3 of them here, and they're all putting on little buds. Not sure how well you can see them, but they're all coming back to life. See that? Now these are bulbs that I had planted in the yard years ago. And as you can see, they've naturalized and they've kind of spread in the front lawn. So we get a little bit of a show. Some people might think they look like weeds, but I love them. I love having them out for a few weeks before we do the first, bring the lawnmower out for the first cut of the lawn. Gives you a nice little breath of fresh air to let you know that spring is here.
So here I have a pair of rhododendrons that we're kind of rehabbing I had moved them into this spot last season because they weren't doing very well. I thought maybe it was a light issue or lack thereof. This one didn't seem to make it through very well. I don't know how it's going to do, but this one here seems to have made it through and put on a lot of growth. And it looks like we have some flower buds on this plant here. So I'm very optimistic about that. So that wraps up the tour for today, guys. Now, I'm showing you a picture of the backyard, and I'm seriously considering painting the fence as well as the shed. If you have any suggestions, put it in the comments below.